Welcome everyone. I hope you must be stay safe and stay healthy. So no further delay, let's begin. Our today's topic is what do mollusks eat? It's not what you expected. The question here is what do mollusks eat? Well, depending upon the species and taking their habitat into consideration, they can be plant eaters, meat eaters, and even omnivorous. This Animal Shake post elaborates more on the mollusks species and their diet. Did you know? Of all the different species of mollusks, snail and mussels are the only ones that reside in both a terrestrial and aquatic habitat. The term molluscs refers to a large phylum of invertebrate species of animals, known as mollusks, being the largest marine phylum. It is represented by more than 8,500 species. These soft-bodied invertebrates vary in size, but usually have a protective covering known as a shell. Although most of the species live underwater, some of them have a terrestrial habitat too. Considering the huge number of species, cephalopods. Of all the mollusk species, cephalopods are the largest in size and intentionally carnivorous. They are known for their unique way of hunting prey. This species of mollusk is primarily represented by cuttlefish, squid, octopus, and nautilus. They are equipped with long tensils, which is used for catching prey. As cephalopods have to hunt to obtain their food, they are highly mobile and known for their various appetite. As far as their diet is concerned, they eat crabs, crayfish, and small species of mollusks, such as gastropods. Cephalopods are also prey on shellfish, crustaceans, mostigopods, shrimps, and other similar small species of species, such as sardines and pilchard. There are some species such as small squid that feed on plankton, but then the larger ones are carnivore. Bivalves, also referred to as peleopoda. Bivalves are sessile, meaning that they cannot move as they are fixed to their substernum. Oysters, clams, scallops, and mussels belong to the bivalves class of mollusks. Now, what exactly do bivalves eat? Although there are different species of bivalves, most of them are filter feeders. Bivalves are equipped with a unique filter feeding system that allows them to separate food particles from water. The gills are endowed with cilia that captures plankton particles as tiny as 1 micrometer in size. The collected plankton is then directed towards the mouth or for digestion. Gastropods. The gastropods class consists of a wide range of species that is considered to be the largest class of mollusks. The group is diverse and comprises terrestrial as well as aquatic species of mollusks. The only one that live on land such as the snails and the slugs, generally have an unequally coiled shell. The aquatic habitat of this species can be freshwater, marine, and deep sea environments. Following are the dietary habitats of some species belonging to the gastrophorus class. Snail and slugs feed upon various types of leafy plants and rotten vegetables. Snails and slugs feed upon various types of leafy plants and rotten vegetations. Oyster boreer prey on shelled creatures. They attack their prey by making a hole through the shell and ingest their soft body parts. Conches, which are large-sized sea snail, feed upon living seaweed, algae, and organic debris. Nudibranchs, soft bodies sea slugs are carnivorous and prey on crawlers, sponges, circumscribes, jellyfish, hydroids, and even members of their own species. An important point to note here is that although cephalopods are carnivorous in nature, it does not mean that they will not eat plants. For instance, if the octopus is unable to catch sufficient prey, it may eat any plant growing under water. So, the ability of food at that moment of time also plays a crucial role in